change in state. On heating, a solid changes to liquid and a liquid changes to gas. Conversely, on cooling, gas loses heat to change into a liquid and a liquid loses heat to change into a solid. The temperature at which a solid melts to change into its liquid form is known as its melting point. Melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling and changing into its gas state is known as its boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Perhaps you have observed that when a stove is lighted in the kitchen, the air inside the room becomes little warmer. If this air is allowed to come out through an open window, it gradually cools down. The metal stirrer left in the cooking bowl becomes hot. These examples indicate that the bodies at higher temperature lose heat and consequently their temperature falls. When bodies gain heat, their temperature rises. There is a mutual exchange of heat between bodies at different temperatures. Flow of heat takes place in a particular direction, that is, from bodies at higher temperature to bodies at a lower temperature as water flows from a higher to a lower level. There are 3 modes of transfer of heat from one place to the other place. These are conduction, convection, and radiation. Let us perform an experiment. Take a metal rod, hold one end and heat the other end. In the beginning, the end of the rod in the hand is not hot. However, very soon we find that the end becomes hot and we are not able to hold the rod any longer. It means that some heat has been transferred. The process by means of which heat is transferred in a solid body from one part to the other is known as conduction. Conduction happens mainly in solid. Note that conduction is not possible in vacuum. Remember that there are 2 important conditions for heat to be conducted from one body to another. These are: the 2 objects should be in contact and their temperatures should be different. The process by which heat is transmitted through a substance from one point to another due to